left hook again.
Oh, good uppercut by Oh, there he
Down
is.
goes Darchinian.
All right, gentlemen, I went over your rules early in the dressing room. I want you to obey my commands. Protect yourselves at all times. Understood? Let's touch them up. Good luck.
Method, but it's worked for Lawrence in the past.
Guys trying not to engage in the point.
He's definitely sure who he's in the ring with, and he knows that he has.
Since then, that's mostly a function of the fact that he lost some, which is usually what happens.
Yeah,
And Marino, or like the Japanese tough matches for him.
and 5 out of 45 altogether.
Hard left hand by Darchinian. Donaire fires.
Good overhand left, but he stayed low as he threw his overhand left, and it allowed him to miss attack.
This is not just because they both have power, which they do. It's that they
That's
don't
as hard as both of these guys punch.
became more and more of a puncher.
He has good extension on all of his punches. Oh,
Hard right hand by. You got 44 seconds to go
good
in the
left hand
round.
by Darchinian.
Real.
Southpaw against a conventional fighter, and Darchinian lands another.
Donaire landed this 1-2 combination, a beautiful straight right hand to the jaw that really hurt Vic Darchinian. But right off of it, and Vic missed him with the right hook on that one. And right off of it, Vic landed that same overhand left and stayed low, which allowed him to slip Donaire's left hook.
2,000 push-ups. Exactly. I've read that the push-up is an overrated exercise.
Experienced fighter. He doesn't look.
Usual patience here because it's not like him. He can't jump in like that.
Counter left hook lands again for Donaire.
That's what got him knocked out.
To win the fight, and that's what he got.
It's unfortunate, and it's good from the other two judges. To win a 154-pound title, he's more active, but not by a wide margin. Activity in there. And that lands for Vic Darchinian.
And we don't have to really worry about the scoring anyway.
When Darchinian,
Knowing how hard a guy like Darchinian can punch.
Donaire seems to relax a little bit, but he missed with the 1-2. Now
There
he
it is. That hook that hurt him right there. There
hard
it is.
left hook.
There it is. Right there.
Darchinian's trying to fight right back. Now the fight breaks up.
those were some.
Donaire come catch Darchinian with that hook high on the head. Had it been a little bit lower, it would have been much more devastating. But then Darchinian fires back with his own left, and Donaire countered with a hook. And they just did some perfect exchange. Not that Robert Garcia's not good, but his confidence
Over Vanis Martirosyan.
Than we've seen in the last several years.
Ed is waiting. In a moment, we'll show you the two fighters who are coming up in the main event. And Darchinian knocks Donaire back into the ropes with a left hand.
again, catch Donaire trying to counter the left hand with his hook, and the overhand left is landing first, and Darchinian is staying low and slipping the counter left hook. He's been doing that all night long. Donaire has to either step out and counter that left with a right hand or do something.
Not scared of Donaire, and he is
It's time that Donaire and Darchinian have been in the 6th round
to
together.
avenge that defeat.
More speed on his punches as Darchinian has.
Where he's been undressed.
Oh, good shot.
Right hand shot by Donaire.
Especially, as you said, the first 3 rounds and the 6th.
Exception. He actually won some rounds from Donaire.
Now, the straight right hand followed left hook.
That's the way to do it for him. Then the left hook, because just to lead left hook ain't getting it done.
High school team.
Donaire was doing something new in his career. Donaire coming off a loss with a new young family. One of these guys might want to take control here.
Who asked him to throw more punches.
And it was never, guys.
He has an item to watch.
Manny Pacquiao, so we'll have dive after this fight is over and before the main
Off from Golovkin a couple weeks.
It's Donaire's criticism of Donaire. He him up. There's a left hook. Trying to end the
Obviously
fight.
last week.
It wasn't being to Donaire. Don't give.
A hander is the hardest dude to fight because of the style.
Straight right hand. Followed by the left hook again.
Oh, good uppercut by the. Oh, there he
Down
is.
goes Darchinian. Set up by the combination earlier in the round. Bail Donaire out.
That same left hook.
But he was still throwing bombs at
Straight right hand, left hook. Hook. Oh, it's a thunderous right cross. And
come up with something big there. Not just
Joy Jones.
Here, Donaire, he got caught with a left uppercut and a right hook, but he kept on the attack. He sticks the left hook right over the jab, and that's why Darchinyan didn't want to throw the jab too much, because it left him open for the left hook. That's the most dangerous punch that Donaire throws.
And now here comes Lawrence Cole's stoppage.
Yeah, he threw a left uppercut right here, a beautiful uppercut. He threw that overhand left to set him up. Now he's changed to an uppercut instead of overhand left, and Darchinyan was not ready for that punch. But at that...
Ladies and gentlemen, the referee calls a halt to the contest at 2 minutes and 6 seconds of round number 9. The winner by TKO victory. The Flash is back. The Filipino Flash, Nonito Donaire.